Ever noticed how staring at tree bark feels oddly soothing? It's not just in your head. Researchers in environmental psychology have found that natural textures, especially the intricate patterns of bark, can reduce stress and promote relaxation. These organic visuals engage our brains differently than artificial surfaces, triggering a sense of calm. It's called visual biophilia, our innate attraction to nature. And bark, with its complex, fractal-like designs, is a perfect example of this subtle therapeutic connection. Tree bark isn't just rough or smooth, it's a visual language. Some barks peel in curls, others form diamond-shaped ridges or patchy mosaics. These patterns often mimic fractals, which are naturally occurring shapes that repeat at different scales. Our brains are wired to find these patterns pleasing. Studies using brain scans show that looking at fractal patterns can lower cortisol levels and reduce mental fatigue. Bark offers a free, accessible way to tap into this natural stress relief. Why does bark calm us more than, say, a brick wall? It's about complexity and unpredictability. Natural surfaces like bark have a kind of organized chaos, irregular yet harmonious. This keeps our attention gently engaged without overwhelming us. In contrast, man-made surfaces are often too uniform or too chaotic. Bark hits the sweet spot. It's complex enough to be interesting, but not so intense that it stresses the brain. It's visual meditation hiding in plain sight. Want to try it yourself? Next time you're outside, pick a tree and really look at its bark. Notice the lines, the cracks, the colors. Let your eyes wander without trying to analyze. This kind of mindful observation can ground you in the present moment. It's a simple practice, but surprisingly effective. Some therapists even incorporate bark textures into mindfulness exercises. It's nature's version of a stress ball, except it's ancient, silent, and rooted in the earth. In a world of screens and noise, tree bark offers a quiet visual escape. It's not flashy, but that's the point. Its subtle beauty invites us to slow down, breathe, and reconnect. Whether you're walking through a park or just passing a street tree, take a moment to look closer. You might find that the rough, patterned skin of a tree is more than just bark. It's a doorway to calm, waiting for your attention.